Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, we might be in for a surprise if things continue the way they are. There's an interesting rumor going on. It started with Zach Bowen of the Windows Central that usually when he actually has news and info, it's pretty much happening. It seems like the 23H2 Windows 11 update that would happen technically next year is not going to happen. And that instead, we would have Windows 12. Now, it's kind of interesting because it would seem that Microsoft would have changed their mind in Windows, and that instead of having the yearly updates to Windows 11 and Windows as a service as we have now, they're kind of thinking of remodeling back to a Windows version every 3 years. Now, that's what we had in the past. Windows 95, 98, into Windows XP, and so on. Roughly, we had a version every 3 years for Windows. There was an exception to the rule with a little bit of things happening with Vista, but in general, there's a 3-year between each version. And then we had Windows 10. Windows 10, which, of course, was Windows as a service, and that is going to be what we're going to have for a long time. And we did have it for a long time, and we still have it today. But then Windows 11 arrived last year, and that was a surprise. But now the next surprise is Windows 12. So we're not sure if it's Windows 12 or some really big update that could happen, but the rumors and what we see is that it does seem to be something different. So a lot of people are thinking, well, maybe it's Windows 12 in the second half of 2023. So we would be moving ahead with a new version of Windows completely rather than continuing with Windows 11. This is very interesting, and this is very surprising, the change of Microsoft in all of this. I guess, there's a lot of things that maybe they don't like the way that it was going. It'll be interesting to see also, is it that, Windows 11, they kind of notice that maybe has so much negativity around it that they're starting to think, well, maybe we should do a new version of Windows because that's going to take us out of the negative Windows 11. This is going to be interesting, and I have a series of videos because there's different things happening right now, and there's quite a lot happening actually, and it's very interesting. And they're based on rumors, but rumors that seem to be pretty much what's going to happen in the next year or two. So could we be really close to Windows 12, closer than we think? Well, it seems like maybe we are. And of course, is it going to be called Windows 12? We don't know, but it would seem that a completely new version of Windows would come out next year, if rumors are true. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.